Solve the system by substitution or elimination. If the system is inconsistent or has dependent equations, say so. Here we have the system 3x plus y is equal to 12 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. I'm going to go ahead and start by identifying these as equations numbers 1 and 2. And the elimination method is going to work very nicely with this one. As we see, if we add our equations together at this point, our y variable is going to cancel out. So let's do that. Adding, we get a 5x, y is gone. On the right side, 15. Dividing by 5 gives x is equal to 3. Now let's solve for y. And I'm going to use equation 1 to do that. It is 3x plus y equal 12. In this equation, let's substitute 3 for x. So 3 times 3 plus y is 12. That's 9 plus y is 12, or y is equal to 3 also. It's always wise to check your solution in both equations, and a check does verify that the solution set is x equal 3, y equal 3.